Do you want to be a part of Moldavite power? Moldavite, it's all the rage these days. Here are 7 out-of-this-world Moldavite gemstones to get your soul soaring through space and your aura singing with joy. Moldavite High Vibration Necklace. Gaze into the mysterious depths of your new Moldavite gemstone as it transports you to the great unknown. Wear the green tektite necklace and vibrate at a higher frequency. This galactic treasure shows you how to let go of life's little dramas and move into a universe of positivity. Set on sterling silver, each genuine Moldavite is unique, just like you. Moldavite Pendant, Keeper of the Universe. Your new Moldavite pendant captures the essence of the universe and keeps it close to your heart. Own the power of the galaxy as you benefit from the vast wisdom of Moldavite. A genuine green gemstone encased in the attractive gold-tone armor makes a bold statement. Reach for the stars with this stellar Moldavite locket. Moldavite Necklace Shooting Star. This deluxe Moldavite has traveled far distances just to be with you. Wear it close to your heart to benefit from the infinite friendship of this rare alien green gemstone. Set on a substantial sterling silver chain, the Moldavite necklace makes a profound impact on both your look and your energy. Be noticed, be boosted, be as brilliant as a shooting star with sterling Moldavite. Moldavite Pendant, Delicate Secrets of Space. Did you know that you can own your very own slice of space? This refined and real Moldavite pendant brings you the secrets of the stars. The delicate meteorite vibrates with enormous force, opening your subconscious to a world beyond this world. Set in sterling silver, your Moldavite pendant is a unique treasure. Show it off front and center, or slip it under your shirt and keep as your little cosmic secret. Moldavite Ring, Galaxy Energy. Want the whole world in your hand? Why not the whole galaxy? With your new Moldavite ring, you'll feel as if you can do anything. The green gemstone tektite sits securely in the clutches of an adjustable sterling silver ring band. Show off this token of the stars while gaining meteoric healing benefits of Moldavite. Big Alien Moldavite Pendant. So you like your Moldavite large, real, and full of deep space powers? This Big Alien Moldavite sterling silver pendant is the juicy piece of rare green tektite that you have been waiting for. Make a colossal statement when you wear the awesome gemstone on your favorite necklace chain. Big Alien Moldavite keeps your spiritual side stimulated and your stylish side satisfied. Moldavite Necklace Beyond the Globe. Your real Moldavite necklace proves that you are both of and beyond this globe. You are a galactic citizen in touch with the physical and metaphysical realms. A gorgeous green gemstone lies secure in an antiqued locket. The Moldavite necklace vibrates with the power of space and stars. Why go for boring when you can go for extraordinary? Find these and a whole collection of Moldavite jewelry at Satin Crystals. While you're there, join the VIP club for members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading the light into the world.